Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'll show you how to make a super easy and healthy and delicious lime chicken, which is perfect for any diet or any day of the week. I hope you can give it a try. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. In a small bowl, we're going to combine the lime juice with the lime zest, and we will also add in the extra virgin olive oil together with the minced garlic and the Dijon mustard. Stir until everything is well combined, and then season with salt and pepper, black pepper to taste. Stir again, then taste the flavor and add more salt and pepper if needed. Then set it aside for a minute. Here I have the chicken breast. With a small knife, I'm going to make 3 small cuts on each chicken breast. The cuts are about 2 inches long, just big enough and deep enough so the marinade can impregnate the meat really well. Now we're going to place the chicken breast in a large bowl. Here I have all the chicken breast. Now it's ready for the marinade. I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of the lime marinade, the one that we made with the lime juice and the rest of the ingredients. We're going to add 4 tablespoons of that. Now we're going to mix it really well with the chicken so the chicken meat will get really well seasoned. And then once it's done, just set it aside, let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes before cooking it. After 15 minutes, now you can cook the chicken and you can grill it, or you can bake it, or you can cook it on a stove. I'm going to be cooking it on a griddle on the stove. So I preheated the griddle on high heat. It's really nice and hot. Now I'm going to add a splash of extra virgin olive oil, and then I'm going to add in the chicken breast, and then I'm going to cook it on high heat for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. I want it to get nice and golden brown on both sides. And the cooking time depends on the size of the chicken breast. Keep that in mind. It might take less time or more time depending on the size of the chicken breast. So after about 4 minutes, now we're going to flip the chicken around. We're going to broach it on the top side with more of the lime marinade. And then we're going to continue to cook it for another 3 or 4 more minutes on the second side, until that second side is also nice and golden brown. Then flip it around, then brush it again with some of the marinade. Now we're going to cover it with a lid, and then I'm going to let it cook for another 1 more minute, or until the chicken is well cooked. Once the chicken is done, this is how it looks. Now it's ready to be served. And I'm going to be serving my chicken with a salad. It has some lettuce, tomatoes, red onion, shredded carrots, and black olives, and that's about it. Like I said, this is such a healthy and easy dinner for any day of the week. I really recommend it. I hope you can give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. And stay tuned for the next video. I'll show you how to make some buffalo boneless chicken in the air fryer. Really healthy as well. So stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.